Hello, welcome to Introduction to Visual Communication. I'm your teacher, Brenda, and we're going to learn two softwares during the semester. The first one is going to be Adobe Illustrator, and the other one will be Adobe Photoshop. They are brothers, for example, as they have the same mom, that is going to be Adobe, but they are different. Why? Adobe Illustrator is going to be helpful for you if you want to do a poster, a logo, maybe you want to do something that you want to print in a magazine or a newspaper, or how about a billboard? Now, Photoshop is going to be used for you to retouch images and photographies. You can still draw in Photoshop, but the quality is going to be defined at the beginning. It means that in Illustrator, you're going to be able to change the size and nothing is going to affect the image, but in Photoshop, if you want to change the size, it's going to be affected. I believe that you have seen it in the past. Now, when you open Illustrator, you're going to find out this window. In the bottom, at the bottom, you're going to see that you have these options. This is like the shortcut, like the most common that you use. If this is the first time that you're using Illustrator, what are we going to do? Let's go where it says Create New. And you're going to have this other window, okay? At the top, you're going to find out that there are many options depending on what format you are going to use. So, if you're going to use it for a mobile device, it means that you're going to use it for an iPhone, maybe for a Google Pixel or an iPad, Samsung, you're going to select the size and the options that they are giving to you. If you want to do it for a web page, I'm going to click where it says View All Presets. You're going to find out that there are many options depending on the size that you want. The things that I have right here, there are templates, okay? They're going to help you to, there are templates. They're already made for you just to apply what you have already designed, okay? Print. This is going to be helpful if you want to print. The common sizes that you have right here are the ones that are used in Europe and America. In Mexico, we use letter. If you're in Europe or United States, they use A4. Now, if you want to do, a tabloid for a poster, or maybe you want a bigger format, these are the formats that are used, okay? Film video is commonly used if you are going to work it with After Effects and do an animation, okay? Maybe an intro for a movie? Well, you're going to select this one. As you can see, it has this format. It's different from the other ones. Art and illustration is going to be helpful if you want to do it, for yourself and you don't want to share it on the web and you just want to keep it like in your computer. Now here we have the options. We can select this one, please, letter. Now at the right, sorry, you're going to find out that here you are able to define the units that you want to use. Now in Mexico, we use meters, so we're going to select centimeters. But if you're in United States, they are going to use inches or pulgadas, okay? Once you have it like this, orientation means if you want to have a portrait or vertical position, landscape or horizontal position. We're going to please select artboards only one because I want to show you using the software how you can add or delete pages. Bleed in Spanish will be sangrado, and we're going to learn about it at the end of the semester because it's going to help you prepare documents if you want to do a printing. For example, if you want to do, a book or a magazine and you want to print it, okay? I promise that you're going to learn about it. Now, advanced options, I already closed it in case you have it closed too. If you want to open, you just have to click it here. There are two colors modes that are used. The first one, RGB, is going to be used if you want to share the document on the screen, okay? Now, if you select cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, this means ZNYK, it says, hey, the chosen color mode is different. Are you sure you want to do an art illustration? So depending on what you select, the software is going to tell you if you are doing it right or wrong. By now, as this is just an introduction, we're going to select RGB. Raster effects means the quality that you are going to have in your document. If you want the highest quality, please select high. If you want a medium, select 150. And if you want, the lowest one, 72. It is not usually printed, the one that is in 72. please always confirm to have high. Okay? Once you have it like this, click where it says create. The document that I have is already in landscape. Everything that is going to be placed inside the white area is going to be printed. Everything outside is not going to be printed. If you want to add extra page, what are you going to do? There are 4 ways to do it. Let's go to the first one. Let's go to the top menu, File, Document Setup, then select where it says Edit Artboards, and you're going to find out that you have the size of the document, in this case is letter, the position if you want the portrait or landscape, and then you have this one. This one is going to add a new artboard. Now I'm going to get away so you can take a look to what I already have in the document, okay? When you have it like this in blue, it means that you can change the size of the document. As you can see, I'm just moving the mouse and changing it, okay? If you want to erase it, you have to click where it says Delete Artboard. If you don't like to go to the top menu and use it like this, you can come to your keyboard and press backspace. This is one way to add or delete pages. I'm going to click it here so I can go to the menu and the vision that I have, the view I have at the beginning. The other way is coming to the toolbar at your left, click it, and as you can see, you have the same options right now. So this is a shortcut, okay? It's instead of going to File, Document Setup. And it's going to work the same way. If you want to add, you can even have different sizes in the same document, as you can see here. I'm going to change the position of this one, okay? How about if I want to learn the other 2 ways? Well, let's go where it says Window, and then let's select where it says Artboards. We have Artboard 1 and Artboard 4. If I want to add an extra page, I can come to the corner. Let me make this one smaller so you can see it. Click, New Artboard, and here I have Artboard number 5. If I don't like to come here, I can come to the bottom and select New Artboard, and I have Artboard 6. It's going to work the same way. Once I have it selected, I'm going to be able to delete it. One way is, of course, clicking here where it says Delete Artboard, or I can come here to the top menu and select Delete Artboard, okay? And this is how you can add or delete pages. Remember that there are many ways, and of course, during the semester you're going to have all the skills and you're going to use the ones that is easier for you and the one that you prefer. Right now, this is just an introduction of how to add or delete pages. You're going to continue with another video. See you in the next video. Bye!